Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore and fix this rust. The vehicle I'm working on is 2014 Ford F150. So for the start I'm gonna clean up that surface. To clean it up I did use a shop towel and lacquer thinner. After cleaning it up, I'm gonna use a sandpaper and I'm gonna sand edges of this rust where the paint peel. Now after I sand down all the rust, I'm gonna clean it up again with a shop towel. If you see that there is any rusty spots left, you wanna sand it out again, make sure it doesn't reappear. After everything is cleaned up and rust is removed, I'm gonna spray rust paint. So that's good for rusted spots, like for the bare metal, and I'm gonna put a few layers of that. I did protect some parts of the vehicle so paint spray doesn't get all over. You wanna shake this bottle first. Make sure you can hear that little ball inside rolling. You can test a bit. Now we're gonna spray it. You can do first layer like a thin layer. Allow 5 minutes to dry and then you can apply a second layer. So after second layer is dried up, I also allow it 5 minutes. We're gonna apply third and final layer of rust check primer paint. You want to make sure that you don't see any bare metal, and I actually don't see it anymore, but I'm gonna put third layer just to have that good rust protection. So after 3 layers of rust primer, I'm gonna apply the white color. Also you wanna shake the bottle, make sure you can hear that little ball rolling inside. And you will also wanna apply a few coats. You can start with a thin layer of the first coat. After 10 minutes I'm gonna apply a second layer of the paint. After 2 layers, this surface already looks very good. I'm very happy, but I'm gonna apply the one more layer. And this is the final stage of it, and I'm pretty happy with results. Looks very nice to me. So for this job I only needed to use some sandpaper, shop towel, rust primer, spray paint, some tape, and nitro. I hope this video will help you in some way and save you some money. Thanks for watching.